Hi.
Hello. What can I get for you?
I'll get a tea, please.
Sure. On the way.
Thanks.
No problem.
So yummy.
I hope you enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Hi. How may I help you? Can I get two number 9? A number 9 large. 1 drinks with 23 single quotas. And a large soda. On the way, sir. Thank you. No problem, sir. I can't keep saying so yummy. I hope you enjoy, sir. Thanks. Mom.
Yes, son?
I have the best day ever.
Why?
I ate so much and all the food were so good.
I'm glad you're happy.
I'm Plotagon Story. And this is my gaming setup for games like Grammy, Roblox, Fortnite and others. And this is where I eat and watch YouTube.